Before you back a multi-tool, there's always one big question. Will you actually use most of its features? A lot of compact multi-tools promise dozens of functions, but the tiny tools often aren't practical enough for real jobs. That's where the TiNexus takes a different approach by focusing on doing one thing really well, instead of cramming in as many features as possible. TiNexus is built around a fully functional ratchet that's still compact enough for everyday carry. It weighs just over 32 grams and has a slim, card-like shape that's easy to slip into your pocket, while still giving you a comfortable grip. The body is made from grade 5 titanium, keeping it lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion. The star of the tool is its 72-tooth ratchet mechanism with a 5-degree swing arc. That means it can work in much tighter spaces than many traditional ratchets, making it useful for bike repairs, furniture assembly, and other everyday fixes. A built-in direction switch also lets you quickly change between tightening and loosening without removing the tool. One clever feature is the magnetic bit storage built right into the body. Fold-out plates hold up to 20 standard quarter-inch bits, with individual magnets keeping each one securely in place. That means you can carry a wide variety of bits without needing a separate organizer. TiNexus also includes a magnetic extender that gives you extra reach or more leverage when you need it. In one position, it extends straight out to access hard-to-reach screws. In another, it locks at a 90-degree angle, giving you more torque for stubborn fasteners. Since there are no buttons, you simply tap the extender into your palm to release it, and magnets snap it back into place when you're done. Both the main drive and the extender use standard quarter-inch hex bits, making the tool compatible with most common accessories. The titanium version is available through Kickstarter for an early price of $199, while an aluminum version starts at $119. According to the creators, shipping is expected to begin in October if the campaign reaches its goal.